There can be many reasons why the check engine light is on. The check engine light is basically your car's way of telling you that its onboard diagnostic (OBDII) system has detected a problem. The exact cause will require a scan of the car for diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), but here are the top 9 common reasons why your check engine light is on. Number 1. Loose or faulty gas cap. This is by far the most common and often easiest fix. A loose, damaged, or missing gas cap can cause fuel vapors to escape from the evaporative emissions (EVAP) system, triggering the light.
What to do if the gas cap is loose or damaged? Replace it.
Number 2. Failing oxygen sensor, O2 sensor. These sensors monitor the amount of unburned oxygen in your exhaust. This data helps your car's computer optimize the air-fuel mixture. A faulty O2 sensor can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and can even damage your catalytic converter over time.
What to do? Clean or replace bad oxygen sensor.
Numbers 3. Bad catalytic converter, a vital part of your exhaust system. The catalytic converter transforms harmful pollutants into less toxic gases. If it fails, you'll likely experience decreased engine performance, reduced fuel economy, and potentially a rotten egg smell from the exhaust. Often, a failing catalytic converter is a symptom of another underlying problem, like a faulty O2 sensor or misfires.
What to do? Have the catalytic converter repaired or replaced by a qualified exhaust mechanic. Numbers 4. A bad or failing MAF mass airflow sensor can cause various engine issues, including a check engine light, poor fuel economy, rough idling, black exhaust smoke, and difficulty starting or accelerating. The engine may also stall or hesitate, and the fuel mixture can become excessively rich or lean. What to do? MAF sensor clean or replace it.
Number 5. 1. Spark plugs. Spark plugs are essential for igniting the air-fuel mixture in your engine. Over time, they wear out, leading to misfires. 1. Spark plugs or damaged spark plug can result in a rough-running engine, reduced power, and decreased fuel efficiency. Number 6. A bad ignition coil pack can cause several issues, including engine misfires, rough idling, reduced power, difficulty starting, and an illuminated check engine light. You might also notice backfiring from the exhaust, poor fuel economy, and even stalling.
What to do? Replace bad spark plug.
Number 7. Vacuum leak. Your car has numerous vacuum lines that help control various engine functions. A leak in one of these lines can throw off the air-fuel mixture, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration, and an illuminated check engine light.
What to do to inspect and replace damaged hoses.
Number 8. Bad EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, valve. The EGR valve helps reduce nitrogen oxide emissions by recirculating a small amount of exhaust gas back into the combustion chambers. A faulty or clogged EGR valve can cause rough idling, engine misfiring, check engine light on.
What to do? Clean or replace EGR valve.
Numbers 9. Problem with the thermostat. The thermostat regulates your engine's temperature. If it gets stuck open or closed, it can cause your engine to run too hot or too cold, which the car's computer will detect and can trigger the check engine light.
What to do? Replace a bad coolant thermostat.
The check engine light is on due to a sensor issues. I will upload another new video about this sensor issues later, inshallah. Remember, if the check engine light is on, do not drive the car too much because it will cause major damage to the car's engine. If you cannot check it, definitely go to a qualified mechanic. Check it with an scan computer. If there is a fault code, be sure repair it. Important note, while these are common causes, the check engine light can indicate hundreds of different issues. The best course of action is always to get